So, here we go then. Christmas morning, 10:06. And the turkey has just arrived out of the fridge. That's the size of it. It says it's going to take 2 hours 26 minutes. And unfortunately it came from a well-known supermarket, as you can see. And it's still in the wrapper. Right, okay. Right, you've seen the turkey. Now what we're going to do is we're going to endeavour today to try and cook this on the barbecue. What my plan is to show you all the aspects of that, as to what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and then hopefully you will be inspired to use your barbecue maybe next year. I've tried for 3.5 years to get to the point, and you wait agreeing for me to do this. And this year we had a trial run a few weeks ago and it worked, so I thought I'd replicate this time. Right, I need to get some charcoal, so just give us a second. I'll go in here, see what we can do the charcoal. Right. Be enough for what we want. Alright, I'll put a bit of newspaper underneath at the bottom to assist lighting. The vents are open. This is a Weber Master. Where are we in the settings here? Right, that's shut. It's open. We'll put to there and we will light it in due course. Right, that's it for the minute. Right, so it's 10:45. We've now taken the turkey out of the wrapper, got rid of all the bits and pieces, etc., and we're just going to let it sit and come up to room temperature. I've put it in the silver tray in the short term. It's not the most plump turkey I've ever seen, I hasten to add, but it will do the trick, hopefully. Taking some butter out of the fridge, just letting it melt at the moment because we plan to cover this in butter, salt and pepper, and then we're going to put it on the rotisserie for the barbecue. Right, I've got the barbecue. I'll set this up with 3/4 of a filling of briquettes. I'll put a bit of newspaper, which you can possibly see, underneath, and we're going to heat those coals up till they're nice and red and hot, and then we're going to put some into here, some into here, and a dish of water in the bottom, just to allow some steam. Then we're going to put the rotisserie together and we're going to cook it. Right, here we go then. I'm going to use one of these, and this, and this. So, move that to one side, stick the cube in the bottom, light it, stick the Buddha on the top, and that should all we need to do. We should be, there we go, smoke coming out of it now. So that will now take a few 10 or 15 minutes just to get up to speed, so we'll come back when it's ready. Right then, I'll put a tray in there, put 1 jug of water in. I'm just going to put a second one in. That's 2 jugs of water. Right, now then, this is the rotisserie. This is the bit that goes on the top. So we'll put that on in a minute. What I need to do now is put the grid in. Right, to put extra coals in. That's on there. Now, go in the middle. Good. And now I want the rotisserie on the top. There you go. It sits on there. Right, this is where the turkey will go. Down there. Right. Now I'll leave the lid. Short tail. Open that vent. So that's that vent reopened. Temperature currently is 0. And what we want to do is set this underneath cooking for about 200 degrees. So 180 to 200. That's what we're going for. Right. Now already see the temperature starting to rise. It's up to 100 already. And we're hoping it's going to sit around about the 200 mark. Right. Got the electric in place here. Ready for the rotisserie unit to go into here, which I'll just go and get. So, back up the garden. I've obviously got it hidden. If I couldn't, it's in the house. This is a rotisserie. This fits on this little bit here. So it'll look a bit better. Right. So there you go. Just slips on the end. And it's just long enough to reach the bottom. It should plug in. He says. Difficult to do this with one hand. There we go. Right, I'll just check it's working. Take the glove off. Yep, can hear it. Right, so all we need now is for this to stabilise at about 200 degrees. It's nearly there. I don't want it to go much higher than 200. Because we plan to cook this turkey for 2 hours 26 minutes according to the packet, but we might give it a little bit longer. So the temperature's just coming up. We'll check it again shortly. Okay, current temperature 200 degrees. It's about 12 o'clock exactly. We've taken the turkey, we'll put it on the rotisserie. I'm giving it some butter, some salt and pepper. And now what we're going to do is we're going to attempt to put it back onto the barbecue. So, let's start it off in the barbecue. So, first things first, gloves on. Okay, so, bird's now in. Rotisserie's running, it's just up to 12 o'clock. You can hear it running there, you see it turning slowly. Let's just speed it to turn up for the next couple of hours. Got the vents currently fully open. Keep an eye on the temperature, making sure it doesn't go too far up. We want it to be about 180 to 190. And when it gets to that point, we want to try and keep it at that spot. Not much else to see on at the moment. It's just after 12 o'clock on December the 25th, 2019. Turkey's cooking. Wife's happy. She's got an oven to do all the things that she wants to do on it. I've obviously got the hard task of cooking the turkey, which means obviously occasionally wandering down the garden to check on it. Just make sure it's at the right temperature. And keep an eye on that temperature there, which is spot on, 108 degrees. Let's take the barbecue just outside the greenhouse. Don't want any problems with carbon emissions, or not carbon emissions, carbon dioxide, or carbon monoxide even. So as long as it doesn't rain, barbecue will be quite happy there. Alright, we'll come back shortly.
Oh, right, yeah.
Right, 14:59. Turkey's been on for 3 hours, which is the 2 hours 26 as per the leaflet or the label, and we're getting an extra half hour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the digital thermometer that we've got and I'm going to prick it. So, right, I'll take the lid off. And first of all, not looking too bad. And stop the rotisserie in a minute when it comes round. Just letting it go right round. Right round till we get to the breast. And if I stop it about now, it should hopefully stop in about the middle. Right, let's see what the temperature is. Not looking too bad. I'll go in there and just see what that comes out at. It currently says, what does it say? 80 degrees. A bit more than 74 as required. So I think that that could be classed as ready. In fact, it's 94. So it's actually come out as 94. I'll just stick that in there as well. See what it says. Ugh. 94 degrees. Yep, could be cooked then. That's how you do a turkey on the barbecue on Christmas Day.